everyone, I'm Brian from Physical 3. Today I'm going to show you how to open a door. So there are many types of door. For example, glass door, steel door, PVC door, and the most common one you can find in Malaysia is wooden and timber door, which is like this one. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate to you how to open a door properly. Most people don't consider who is behind the door, so they tend to open the door quickly. They might hurt the one behind the door like this. The most common thing you can find in the door is the door knob. Okay, so the first step is to knock the door, and the second step is the very fundamental one, which you need to have a grip on the doorknob, a really good grip, and then you put some rotational motion here and you pull it. Okay, I'm going to do step 1 and 2 just to let you understand more. Okay, so that's on how to open the door. Right now I'm going to move on how to close the door. How to close the door. Make sure nothing is over here, not even a human body. You don't want to injure them. So if you want to close the door, just push it until you reach like approximately 90 degrees, and you again repeat the step 2. Have a grip on the doorknob, rotate it, and just release it like that. So extra step over here, if you want to ensure more safety, you just lock the door like this. Okay, so that's for the case 1, where we open and close the door from inside. For second case, right now we are outside of my office, where we need to open the door from the outside. So the difference is, right here the pivot point, it has a limited motion where we cannot go, we cannot pull it toward us. So for second step, we need to modify the type of motion where we need to push the door instead of pulling it to open it. Okay?
Sir, can we open the door with a book?
Oh yeah, that's a good question actually. Like I said, in the second step, we need a grip and exert some motion on it. So, for example, like this book, we cannot apply a grip on the doorknob, which is very impossible for us to open the door. Yeah, we need a strong grip. So, is that answering your question?
Oh yes, thank you very much.
Okay. So I'm going to show you the full demonstration on how to open the door outside of my office. Wow, that's amazing. I couldn't believe I can open the door